I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations in the town of Millbridge along the Bold Coast of Maine. In this video I'm going to show you how I built the mobile base frame for my new miter saw station and shop cabinets. And this is because my shop floor is uneven and the miter saw station may be moved to a few locations as I totally renovate my workshop. So it has to be mobile and adjustable, and one of these reasons why I'm doing it this way is because when we first built this place years ago, everything was in commercial storage, and we didn't move into a house that was already built. We built the house ourselves, and so we built the garage first to save money so we could take everything out of commercial storage and put it all in the shop. So it's all been piled up in bins and everything stacked, and there's no place to put anything, and it's all clutter. So slowly I'm getting the shop completely renovated. This is why I'm doing the project in this manner. Everything has to be mobile and movable, because as I attack one section of the garage and get some room, I can move things into place, but then I have to get more room and move other things out, and they're in the way while I'm working, so things have to be constantly moved around. Rather than just one long video showing the entire build of this whole miter saw station that's mobile and adjustable and doing the whole thing in one video, I think I'm just going to do one major part at a time. It makes it a lot easier and quicker. You don't have to sit through a long video. And so just like a house where you build the foundation first, I'm starting with this solid stable base frame on casters and leveling legs, because my floor is just my garage floor is so uneven, and it's going to be in different places. So this video showing the construction of the base cabinets along with free plans, if you're interested, you'll find in the video description below. Please remember to like and share the video. Thanks for watching, and now I'm going to run the clip for you.